Okay, we're going to do a cold start on the Restomod Camaro. I have my ignition switch up, my fuel pump switch up. I'm going to turn the ignition on, then I'm going to push the blue button. That's the start button, but what I want you to notice for is how quiet the fuel pump is. We just put a brand new Holley intake fuel pump in this thing, and it made a huge difference. That's it. That's as loud as it gets. We'll go ahead and push the start button. There she goes. Ready to rock and roll. 3,146 miles now. Runs amazing. For a motor with a 650 lift camshaft in it, to idle that smooth